The next one, diabetes dataset project. For that, I will be showing you another, data set that was simply the diabetes dataset project, which is there, and that I have downloaded from the Kaggle. So I'm writing here diabetes dataset Pro 1, because this we will be doing in two different manners. We will be doing it in two different manners. First one, we will be simply, you can say, taking the two features only. Okay, firstly we will be taking two features only, and then we will work with all the features. So there are 10 different weights, 10 different features, and firstly we will be working with the two features, and linear regression algorithm I will be using, slicing, training, and testing. That means firstly we will be slicing the data in two parts, training and the testing data, and accordingly we shall move further. Then once we have taken the training and testing data, then we will be simply, you can say, classify it for two different, like you can say, axes, x and y axis. So for creating that all, we need one thing, that is simply the matplotlib. So you have to install, like you can go for pip install matplotlib. So matplotlib is the module which I will be discussing in detail, and that module is going to help you out for the visualizations and graphs. So that we will be doing. That's why I'm installing this matplotlib here, and I will show you the official website, that is the matplotlib.org. We will work with it. This has been installed. Pip install matplotlib you have to do. Then I'm just going to work with the two predictive, like simply you can say two features. I'm just going to load the NumPy and Matplotlib and sklearn, all those things, because that is required. And the data set is still is present in the iris, like iris you have loaded with the help of load iris, which was present in the data sets. Similarly, in the data sets only, load diabetes is present for the diabetes data set. So these things are already present in the sklearn. Then we will be slicing the data set in two parts, x-axis, y-axis, for the training and the testing. Then model training will be simply done with the help of the fit function, as we have done previously. And for testing, we will be definitely using the predict function as we have used previously in the iris. So these things are common. According to the project, it will vary. Now we will be also taking the coefficient and the intercept. So you can see this COEF underscore and intercept underscore. These are nothing but these are the uh, like these are predefined. Okay, these are predefined in the, you can say, sklearn module, and this is giving us the coefficient and the intercepts. Now the next thing which we require, that is the plot, the graph. So as we are simply taking the matplotlib, we are taking the matplotlib to create the plot, that is the graph itself. So here you can see, here we have taken the matplotlib module and the NumPy. So here when I will run this particular project, so you will be getting two outputs. One output will be coming on terminal and another output will be coming on the graph. Here you can see. So the terminal is simply giving us the mean squared error and the weights, and the intercept, that is 153.39. So you can consider it 153.4. Now almost similar output you are going to get on the graph also. So if I just maximize this, so you can see that here in this graph, this zero is not located. So I'm just going to use this pan option, and with the help of that I will just move this 0 to the 0th index where it should be actually. Okay, I think it has gone a lot more far, and it's a bit shifted, but you can see wherever I'm taking my cursor, actually it's giving on the like bottom right corner, it is giving us the xy values. So let's take it here. So it is 153.8. So simply it is almost same as it was coming on the terminal, and yes, a bit of the zero is also shifted, so it is almost 153.4 only. But yes, you can see approximately the same output we are getting as it should be. So simply both of them are giving us the same outputs. Both of them means the terminal output and the graph output is similar as it should be. So this way you can understand that yes, our project is working fine. So this was the diabetes dataset and the iris dataset, and all the related references I will definitely explain and share with you.